Good evening, everyone. Myself Navin Raj, and I am currently pursuing second BCom General at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now I am going to explain about the Sustainable Business Model Canvas. There are the 9 stages. First stage, Key Partners. Whom will you work with as you run the business? Name your partners and the role will take on. This section identifies the network of suppliers and partners that are necessary to make the business model work. It prompts the user name partners and define their roles. Key activities. What are the tasks and activities that must be done every day to keep the business running? This describes the most important actions a company must take to operate successfully. The canvas asks what tasks and activities must be done every day to keep the business running. Key resources. What are the tangible and intangible things you need to create your product? This defines the assets like tangible and intangible required to offer and deliver the value proposition to the customer with your original product. Value proposition. What is the need you are trying to address? What value will your product bringing to target audience? This is the core of the canvas outlining the specific need the business addressing and the value product or service brings to the target audience. Customer relationship. What relationships will you establish with each customer segments? This describes the type of relationship a company establishes with its specific customer segment. Examples like personal assistance and self-service and automated service. Next, customer segment. Who is your target market? What are the characteristics of your early adopters? List the persons that you expect to use product. This defines the different group of people or organization the business aim to reach and serve, including characteristics of early adopters. Next, channels. Where will your product be available? List the ways you plan to reach your target audience. This describes how a company communicates with and reaches its customer segments to deliver its value propositions, like how your products have to be reached to by advertising or something else. Customer next cost structure. What are the fixed and variable costs to launch your product or service? Consider the cost at each stage, from setting up a website, hiring employees, production, marketing, and bringing them to customers to our business model canvas. This defines all costs incurred to operate the business model, including fixed and variable cost at each stage. Next, revenue streams. How will you generate income? Show a pricing model of your product or service and include other revenue sources such as sales and subscriptions fees. This represents the cash a company generates from each customer segment, including pricing model, sales, and subscriptions fees. This defines like people's how business aim to reach and serve, including characteristics and the early adopters. Okay, I have explained the sustainable business model canvas by the 9 stages. Now, hope you are understand with this clear theory explanation. Thank you.